Hey guys, back out here. We got the cheapest BB pistol from Walmart. I had it for a couple years now. And y'all want to see a video up on it? I'm gonna try to make one here soon. But we also got the SXP video coming out. It'll probably come out before BB pistol coming out. If you want to see me do something with this, comment what you want me to do with it. With the test with it. I killed a couple stuff with it. Some frogs and stuff like that. Pretty nice. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye.